Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being back with me. My name is Daisy Love, and I am going to be your instructor for today. We are going to be working on part two of the particular workshop, Successful Clientele, Internal Marketing. What is internal marketing? I say that employees need training and empowerment. They should be given the flexibility to bend company rules and procedures if it is in the interest of the organization. It is so important for us to understand that your employees make up about 90% of your company. Your employees can make or break the company. So you have to be able to invest in training for your company, for your employees, but also what you have to be able to do is to include them. They are a part of your business. They are a part of your company's growth, your company's evolution. If there is no room for an employee to grow, if there is no training provided for them, if there is no employee development provided to them, then where is that? That person is not going to stay. Whenever another opportunity is going to present themselves, they're going to leave your place of employment to go somewhere else. If they feel like they can't talk about a decision making, they don't have any input, guess what? They no longer feel welcome, or they feel like they are only a simple employee. They don't feel that they are a part of the decision making. So that is the first thing. Before we do external marketing, we have to understand and we have to be willing to do internal marketing. Excuse me. We have to be willing to do internal marketing. Right? Passive employee that you feel that is not necessarily working, that passive employee that you feel that is not giving you the satisfaction, you have to be willing and able to turn them into brand ambassador for your business. A lot of time our employees are not feeling their best, or they're feeling the lack because we're not catering, we're not empowering them, we're not turning them into brand ambassador. These people are looking at it like they're just coming for a check. They're just coming for the money. So they're not loyal into what you have going on. I say that employing internal marketing will increase the value of your business through employees. Absolutely. Because you may not be here all the time into your business. You want your employee to represent you anywhere. You want them to talk about your business. You want them to feel comfortable. You want them to feel happy. You want them to invite potential prospect into your business. It starts with your employees.